Welcome to Krishna Casting, a trusted manufacturer of high-quality CI and SG iron castings. Manufacturing infrastructure built on advanced manufacturing infrastructure spread across 120,000 square feet. Raw material and furnace charging with a production capacity of 900 metric tons per month, delivering consistency at every stage. Melting process/furnace flame. Our melting section operates with controlled metallurgy for reliable casting performance. Furnace and production operations equipped with advanced induction melting systems, ensuring stable composition and process control. Krishna Casting follows pollution control norms with proper environmental and safety practices. HP molding line powered by 500 by 600 high-pressure molding line delivering 155 molds per hour. Metal pouring process. Every casting is produced with strict process discipline and controlled pouring practices. From molding to finishing, every operation is focused on precision and quality. ARPA/molding operations supported by dedicated ARPA molding line for flexible and efficient production. Manufacturing castings ranging from 1 kilogram to 150 kilograms for diverse industrial applications. Advanced in-house shell core and cold box core. Making facilities ensure precision for complex castings and process equipment. Our facilities are designed for reliability, productivity, and consistent manufacturing standards. Sand plant and process control. Dedicated sand testing and process monitoring ensure molding consistency. Laboratory and quality testing. Advanced quality control with spectrometer, hardness testing, and metallurgical inspection. Inspection and finished castings. Strict raw material inspection, dimensional checks, and batch traceability ensure uncompromised quality from molding to finishing. Every operation is focused on precision and quality. Engineering strength, delivering trust.